Canned meat, such as Spam or corned beef, might be a convenient pantry staple, but the process of making it and the ingredients used may give you pause. Canned meat products typically contain low-quality cuts of meat, which are ground and mixed with water, salt, and various additives, including sodium nitrite as a preservative and flavor enhancer. This mixture is then cooked, cooled, and canned under high pressure to create an airtight seal and prolong shelf life. The consumption of processed meats, including canned varieties, has been associated with an increased risk of chronic health issues, such as heart disease, obesity, and certain types of cancer. The high levels of sodium and preservatives found in canned meat products can contribute to these health concerns. In addition to the health risks, the production of canned meat has environmental and ethical implications. The factory farming practices used to raise the animals for meat production contribute to deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and other forms of environmental degradation. Choosing unprocessed, sustainably sourced meats or plant-based alternatives can be a more responsible and health-conscious decision.